Hi everyone, today we're doing the standard algorithm 2 digits times 2 digits. We are going to do 46 times 53 real quick. If you want to access the rest of these worksheets, they vary in difficulty, meaning they start like this and then we add on as we go. Then you can click in the link below and you'll get the rest of these worksheets. Every single worksheet has a video guiding through the question. There's also a task card variant with the same questions. And there's also a digital version with the same questions. And there's also a version for area model and partial products with the exact same numbers on them. So for example, every student can work on question 6, but can use the algorithm of their choice. So if you're interested in getting that, go ahead and click in the link below. But thank you for coming. Today we're gonna start with this question here. 46 times 53. And it looks like a lot. It's not as hard as it looks, and it gets easier with practice. The thing we want to remember is that the 4 and the 6 are on the same team. It's a number, 46, and we're not going to break it up. The 4 and the 6 are not going to fight each other. The 53 are on the same team. They're not going to fight each other. What we are going to do is have these teammates fight these teammates. So what I mean is that the 3 is going to go against the 6, 3 times 6. Then the 3 goes against the 4. And then we're done with this competitor. They are out of the game. And then we just do the 5. The 5 goes against the 6 and the 5 goes against the 4, and then the 5's done. So you just want to remember that the 5 and the 3 aren't going to battle each other. The 4 and the 6 aren't going to battle each other because this is one number, it came together, and this is another number that came together. One more thing to keep in mind is that if you have these worksheets, this will help you as you're learning because you're only going to fill in this many boxes and you're going to carry 2 times. So it helps you check in and make sure that you're on the right track because you'll be filling 1 box at a time. We are going to go from right to left. So we start at the 3 and we go against the 6 and then 3 times 4 and then we do the 5. So everything is right to left. Let's go ahead and get started. So first we'll do 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, and I always like to write it out for myself first, just so I have it. It's there. 18 can't fit here. You can only have 1 digit, and besides, the 8 goes in the 1's place, and that 1 is in the 10's place, so it doesn't belong here anyways. So we're going to put the 1 up here. We're going to carry it, and we'll put the 8 there. And it's a little hard to see on the video, but this box is blue to kind of help remind us that this is for the 6. These 2 are blue and they have a red outline, red and blue. Not a huge deal, but it can help you if you're feeling a little bit stuck. Look at the colors, they'll remind you. All right, so 3 times 6 is 18 and we're going to carry 1, 8, 18. 1 in the 10s, 8 in the 1s, just like it should be. Then stay up here on the red, this is the red row, and just keep going with the red. So the 3 is not done. He showed up to fight and he has only battled against 1 of the other team's players. He still needs to battle against the 4. So now we'll just do 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. You do not need to carry because you only carry if there's somewhere to go, if there was someone over here and there isn't. We're done. So you just stick the 12 in, but you do need to add that 1. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and you just put the 13 in. Okay, basically what we just did is we did 3 times 46. 3 times 46 is 138. If you did 46 plus 46 plus 46, that's what you would get. So basically, we're just looking at this problem and pretending like it was smaller. Like, just pretend like you're doing 3 times 46 first. Then we'll do 50 times 46. So we did the 3, and we need to show that we're finished with it. To show that we're finished with it, we're going to cross it out. So if you think of this as like a wrestling match or something, the 3 showed up, the 3 already did its job, and now it gets to go chill. And now we're going to do the 5. But take a look at that 5. What place is the 5 in? It is in the 10's place, which means we're really doing 50 times 46, not 5 times 46. To show that this is really a 50 and not just a 5, you need to put a 0 here. And this kicks us over to where the 5 actually starts. the 5 is here, it shouldn't be doing anything over here. So we put a 0 there to remind us the 3 was there. Done with the 3, put the 0, kicking us over to the 5, and now we can do the orange. And it might be hard to see on the video, but this row is orange, so it's color coded. This row is for the 5. All right, so now we're going to do 5, and we're going to battle against the 6, because right to left, 6, and then the 4. So we're just doing 50, that's what the 0 is for, times 6, and then 50 times 40. All right, so 5 times 6 is 30. And that's 2 digits, right? So what are we going to do with the leftmost digit? We're going to carry it. So 30. You can get rid of that one, it's from earlier. 30. Okay. Now you're done with the 6, and you're just going to do your last one, which is 5 times 4. Add the 3 and stick it here, and then you're done with that part. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. So then we just stick our 23 in here. Basically what we just did, on this top row we did 3 times 46, and that's 138. On this bottom row we did 5 times 46, which is 230, but it was really 50 times 46, so we just add another 0. 50 times 46 is 2,300. But really all we did is we just took our time and we went one turn at a time. So we said, okay, the 3 showed up, the 3 was going to battle the 6, and then the 3 battled the 4, and we put it in there. Come down and do the 5 battles the 6, and the 5 battles the 4. So you just do one at a time from right to left. Okay, so if this top row is 3 times 46 and this bottom row is 50 times 46, if you want 53 times 46, you add this together. So we'll put an addition sign in here. And we're just going to add and carry if you need to. On this one we don't have to, but in others you might have to. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So our final answer is 2,438. You can double check that too if you want to estimate it all. You know that's going to be 2,000 something, about 2,400 there. So we got 2,438. And that is how you do double digits standard algorithm. Come back for more videos because I know that it just takes repetition. So we're going to be doing this one and this one. And remember, if you click below, you can get access to all the videos, all the worksheets in varying forms of difficulty, online version, task cards, and different algorithms if you want them. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you for the next one.